I'm Becky Stern, and today I'm sharing my top 3D printing projects that are fun, useful, and, let's be real, might just impress someone special. Maybe you're trying to justify the purchase of a 3D printer to your spouse, or you're trying to use your 3D printer to help get a girlfriend. Here are my top recommendations for things to print for your significant other. Let's start with self-care. If you know someone who loves doing their own manicures, you could 3D print a nail polish organizer or a set of soak-off clips. These are thoughtful little gifts they'll actually use. You could 3D print a back scratcher. This one's really popular at my house. Or even an acupressure mat. A little home decor that anticipates her needs goes a long way, like this stylish period pad dispenser by my friend Charlene Gonda. It's dressed up with a brass knob. Actually, you should look into printing dispensers for just about anything y'all use around the house, like toothpaste, tea bags, batteries, plastic grocery bags. You'll find models galore on file sharing sites like Printables, MakerWorld, and Thangs. Next up, it's accessories. You can 3D print headbands, hair clips, and jewelry organizers. These are quick prints and you can match the colors to someone's style. Come through in a pinch for a last-minute costume party. Did you know you could 3D print a whistle? I've got one attached to every coat zipper for safety. If there's a plant person in your life, or you want one, you can print a watering bottle cap that turns any bottle into a gentle watering can. And then, of course, there are endless stylish planters available, including a few I designed myself. These make awesome housewarming and dinner guest gifts. You should bring a plant to put in it, and then this gift becomes really special. My favorite category in today's roundup is craft supplies. If you've got a crafty friend, or if you are the crafty friend, there are undoubtedly a few tools you can print to make your crafting easier and more fun. You can print sewing pattern weights that use your old pennies as ballast, or a winder that makes it easy to store a soft tape measure. It's usually a nightmare. Or make a set of stitch markers. Knitters literally cannot have too many. And if embroidery is their thing, a floss box, bobbin winder, or floss palette will earn you serious points. And look, you don't need me to tell you to fix stuff around the house, but a little custom printing can go a long way towards actually getting it done. Save a trip to the hardware store and gain back quality time by printing your own drywall anchors, outlet covers, or office organization. I was around during the dark ages of home 3D printing, when most of the files available online were for making your 3D printer slightly less terrible. And don't get me wrong, I loved that rep-rap sentiment, and I truly miss the days when the internet was just us nerds. But today, you can find 3D models for nearly anything you can think of, including improving your 3D printer. So you really don't have to learn any CAD to get started. You just need a printer and some filament. And if you want to support me, you can shop for both of those things using my affiliate links, which will give me a small percentage of the sale at no additional cost to you. I'm signed up with Prusa, Matter Hackers, and Bamboo, and I've linked my personal favorites down below. Thanks in advance. Of course, I do recommend eventually learning some CAD, and my top pick is Tinkercad, the free browser-based modeling software. It has a nice, shallow learning curve because it's literally designed for kids, but it's capable of some surprisingly sophisticated stuff. But you can do a lot to customize the STLs you download from the web just by using your Slicer software. Okay, one more category, which is accessories for things y'all own and love. For example, this could be a set of photo frames for Instax camera prints, or a wall-mounted holder for a straightening iron, some colorful beads for their charging cable, or a custom cup holder for your expensive baby stroller, as Jake Ward shows on his channel. So I'm clearly not the only one who thinks 3D printing can be a love language and improve our relationships. I love Jake's videos and also Mackenzie Marshall's series, Things My Boyfriend Has 3D Printed That Just Make Sense. And I think they're getting at the same thing I am. You should 3D print stuff that supports what matters to the people you care about. You're demonstrating that you pay attention and make positive contributions to their life. And yes, I made this video femme-focused since that's my point of view, but I think the overall advice applies to everybody. All the models I've shown today are linked below, so you can start printing right away. If you're headed to the printer right now, let me know in the comments what you're making. If you had fun watching, share it with someone who'd love it too. And if you want more, hit subscribe and join my email newsletter for weekly project updates.